Okay, so hearing resumed. So there's a motion, there's a pending motion. The motion that was moved by the movant, Congressman Erwin Tulfo, is to cite in contempt the following persons. General Mariano, Roderick Mariano, and Colonel Cabradilla. Is there a second motion?
Second, Mr. Chairman.
It was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman.
So now we will be meting out the penalty. So any motion for the penalty?
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
That the person cited in contempt will be detained in this house for 30 days, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion that the two personalities mentioned will meted out a 30 days to be delivered in here in this premises. Any second motion? This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.